Oh, hello guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see today, well, we're going to be doing something a little different today. But today, as you can see, we have, this is a previous video if you watched it. Yeah, we've taken off the carpet and put it in the garden. But that's not what we're here today. But today we're going to be telling you how to install a door. So as you can see, this is a completely different room to the house. Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be putting in the door frame. So what we're going to be doing, one of them will be right here on this wall, and then we'll drill it into the wall, and then another one will be on this side.
Okay, so we've got we've got this 100mm RAM plug, and we've divided this frame by 4. So now we're just gonna drill. To the wall so that we can put these RAM plugs in, so then we can put in the other door frame. Checking if it's level, now we're screwing it in. Okay, so we've put the door on. As you can see, it will open and close very nicely. Now that we've marked the door, we're going to drill through it with the hole saw. Okay, so now that we've got the door up, the 2 frames, we're just going to use the leftovers from all of this and cut it so that it reinforces the top. as you can see, the plasterboard is on. We're going to cover the screws with some skirting.
We finally finished the door. As you can see, we also painted it as well. We added the door handle and it looks nice. Wow, it closes very good, smoothly. And yeah, thanks for watching.